Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Nihini hika Krifabu Chin Baptist Mission Church Krifabu member vialte Rami Zongha atiang mingan patayan mingin nandi lagin kurzakan in tlainha Zantha kanehi kalom kehi mivantha tukmi kasive tingarua Nihini ahin USA Sernilong Ravecha a copy Jim Washington DC and India Kumvehi India Leakhan. You may excuse my language considering my situation. India Khan Chakarak Chonvea Khan a copy Jim New Delhi Lekat Kumve Makaka point of view it helps me to build my character. So today, having a speech in front of the Lai community in Washington, the capital of United States, I have great hopes, high hopes in you. And during my stay here, I have chon ding mi khatam pi kanei tikha katheiwe. Pakhatnak chu the way you worship God, your praise and worship, your individual lives. Milwaukee azong karave Indianapolis azong. I have seen the Lai community in United States. This could be the reason why God will unite the Lai community in the whole world. I want to give you one example, a good example and a not very good one. The British colonialism, how it begins. It begins with a Christian missionary going places everywhere in the world. How it ends doesn't matter, but how it begins. They say in Mizo, the sun doesn't fall, it rises, but it can't fall in this colonial British era. And it all starts with Jesus. There was a missionary who goes places. And there is one more example. In India, the northeastern state, especially in Mizoram, we have a minority community called the Bru. Tuikuk inti vemikha. Bru nihi. Before the Brus are a great tribe. In Tripura, we call them Riang. In Assam, we call them Bodo. In Mizoram, we call them Bru or Tuikak. But in every state, they are a minority. And one of the leaders in Mizoram has confessed, and he told me why the Bru community could not rise as a community. And that one reason was in history, during their period in Tripura state, there has been a number of missionaries from abroad who has preached them about the gospels of Jesus Christ. But they have rejected it time and again. And he said those were the reason why the Bru as a community could not rise. Because they have rejected Jesus Christ in so many places in Tripura or Mizoram. So everywhere they are, be it Bangladesh, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, they are a minority community. Until today, the churches in Mizoram have a mission field within the Bru community. Today, I point out that story because I have seen the community, the Lai community in the United States, the way you worship God. In Mizoram, we have church in every locality, 2 or 3 or 4 churches will be there. But the individual lives of Lai people in USA and Mizoram, in comparison, I think we have a lot to learn from our brothers and sisters in the United States. Central Wayle, Sakai, Hikaya Rami Kasiveakan, report Plompal Kasivela, Atuahin, Central Wayle, Kantimihi, thong khat zakua som sari le panga akhan sangau khan theimo sangau adirmi si Central Way le hi USA a hian a thailo mi kha tampi nomti kangal cha khan Central Way le is not a religious based organization khifa bu asilo way le hi political parties on asilo ti kha chimdu. It is purely a voluntary organization of the youth coming together from the age of 15 to 60 years old. So we work, what is our motto? Our motto is any member of a Waile have to be a Christian first. And secondly, Lalhmingthanga for the Lai community. We work for the Lai community. And in doing that, our brothers from Myanmar, Razam Tampian Hung Vele, in 2021, it all started in February. The first refugee, I must say, the word might not be appropriate, but who came to Mizoram was on 16 March. We witnessed that, and since today we have taken care of that. But today, to my dear brothers and sisters, I want you to remember, Bangladesh akin lai mi tampian veti kha ngalve theve uti kha kachimdu Bangladesh akan bom tin vele atu ahian bom atangi Bangladesh tangi bom ral zam hi leini leitum rong hi Mizoram man kan neve makaka lai hol chimmi veran city kha ni hen kachim vedu Myanmar tangi ral zam ummi zong khachu andin mun kha. Their conditions are better now because of maybe the offerings and the gifts and the kind of support they get from all over the world. But from Bom, people from Myanmar, Bangladesh have not got support till today. So I ask you, my brothers and sisters, we are taking care of the Ralzam from Myanmar. Let us also do it for the Bom community who has come from Bangladesh. Nini ahian kakhat vel chan kanei atu ahian ka program hi Dallas le Ohio akhan umve CYO azong khan bia ka chim velai nini ahian lai hol very ka chim kholo cha ahian apoi kative Simon Selo the next time when I come my language will be very fluent, I promise you that. And thank you for the short time you gave me here in this church. I thank the senior pastors and the elders and everyone here. And happy Father's Day. Thank you.